what's going on YouTube? Rohit back with another video. What this guy, look at that. Get out of the road, bro. Man, people like sticking out with their long cars, like it is what it is. We got it. This guy's gonna go, isn't he? Or is he turning right? Really? Put your blinker on. I can't even tell if you're turning or not. Oh my god, the thing sounds so good. So good. Excuse me, sir. Are you going to this lane or are you going to another lane? Yes, he's going to that lane. Alright, we're going this way. Gotta go this way. Alright. You gonna go to the light? You gonna go? No. But I'm gonna go at the light. We're in sport mode, by the way, because honestly, sport mode is way more fun than track. That's just me, though. I don't know. I feel like it's, you get more, it feels smoother, like quicker. Oh, this thing sounds so good. Everybody get out the way. I'm driving a monster. I'm going this way. Oh man, this guy got in my lane. Bye-bye. Excuse me. You're not supposed to be in front like that. Get out. Oh no. No, don't pull in front. Get. Oh look, now I got two people, so I could choose. I'm gonna go this side. There's a van right there. Oh my god. Hopefully I picked the right side. Because sometimes people like take forever in this lane. I don't know. We just gotta wait on traffic. This person in front, I don't know. It's a Kia Sportage. Or there's a Mazda. Which one is faster? I don't know. Neither. They're both babies. They can't do it. I got a Jeep Grand Cherokee behind me. I don't think you can see it, but there we go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's see if we can go around this guy. Woo! Yes, sir. We gotta wake him up. Gotta wake him up. Got to wake him up. All right, let's go. My enemy, the turns, the curves. We gotta slow down because curves are the enemy of all Hellcats. We all know this, and I'm not ashamed to say, straight line speed is all I care about. I don't care about turning. You know, people can say so much, and they're like, "Oh, turning is so much better." And okay, okay, buddy, you think turning is so much better than straight line? You know, straight line just feels way more adrenaline pumping than turning. I feel like turning is just, I mean, if you could hold turns going fast, that's cool, I guess, but me personally, I care more about straight line speed. That's why I got a Hellcat in the first place. Otherwise I would have got a Camaro or a Corvette, you know, turning, but I'm not turning, so let's go on the highway. Let's get on the highway. It's back in auto. Put back in auto mode. There we go. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I got the windows open. See how it sounds. If not, I'll just close them. Yeah, I'm gonna just close them. You can't hear anything. You won't be able to hear much with the windows open, so I'm just gonna close them. But we are in the Hellcat, as usual. The daily driver, believe it or not. This is my daily. This thing right here. that can go 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. That is a gas guzzler, if you want it to be. I mean, it is a gas guzzler, but it is what it is. We got a lot of people. You know, we had a concert out here with, what's his name, Post Malone. Traffic was like backed up all the way to here. No lie. It was like 1,000 people just, there was like, they said 27,000 people went to that concert, which is insane. That is a crazy number of people, is all I can say. That's crazy. But I guess people wanted to see Post Malone in concert. What is this, a Jeep? What's in front of me right now? Oh, it's a Hyundai. It's the Hyundai. Oh wait, no. I don't even know my cars. Like, well, I don't know anything about these, like Japanese or whatever. A Subaru. What brand is Subaru? Y'all gotta let me know. I don't know what Subarus are from. I don't know if they're Japanese. I don't know if they're something else. Volkswagen? I don't think so. They're not Volkswagen. Volkswagen doesn't own them. They own Bugatti, which is insane to me still. I always like think like, oh my god, Volkswagen owns Bugatti and stuff. It's like crazy that a car like that has all the people wanting to race their car whenever they have a Volkswagen. I mean, look, if you find any Jetta out there, right, that's literally all they want to do. They just want to go and chase your car every time. But you know what, Mr. Toyota? You gotta move. Thank you. Thank you, sir. You are really helping from Arkansas. Thank you. Thank you for moving out of my way. Should we just do a little baby pull? I mean, we don't really have room. I'll do a little pull for y'all, though. 60. That is a good 60 roll right there. I wish, though, I had some competition out here, but unfortunately not. But anyway, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this little POV drive. And, you know, subscribe, like, comment, share, all that stuff. And I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Peace.